What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now I get this question quite a fair bit. What case do I use on my iPhone 10? Well, we're going to answer that question today, and something that you may have seen on Instagram, something that I posted not so long ago, was this guy. We're going to take a look at this case today. I'm going to tell you my thoughts on the Spigen case for the iPhone 10. Without further ado, let's jump in to the video. Now the truthful fact of the matter is that when I'm looking for a case for any of my Apple devices, I'll always go with Apple's own. As you can see here, I've currently got it in the black leather case. Now it ages quite well, it looks nice, and when I'm going out for the evening or I'm just heading out for the weekend, I'll throw this case on as it looks the part along with the screen protector. Now I do actually love this case. This case has been absolutely superb. I've always had this style case on almost every iPhone I've owned. Every iPhone that's came with a leather case like this, I've had a case on just like this one. Now last year, as you know, I made a video about the iPhone 7 and what case I had on it. Now I had one of these cases alongside one of these, as you know. This is the black silicone case. I was looking for something a bit more funky, a bit like the orange. However, looking back on things and obviously just deciding what I was going to go for, this came up at the right time. I never bought it from Apple, I bought it from a stall inside one of the malls in America, and I was able to get it at a good price. So that's why I bought it from them, and this was one of the only colours that they had. So I'll try it on and show you what it looks like. As you can see, it fits nicely into the case. It looks the part, it feels great, it's not slippery. Now and again that can be slippery, but this is not slippery, it's got grip. Tons of it, you can plant it down that side or that side. However, because I've got a tempered glass screen protector on it, it does protrude ever so slightly. So there's that. However, let's get into the main reason for the video, and that's this guy. Now this is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid with air cushion technology, and I can honestly say I've never really gone for a case like this from Spigen. I've gone for Spigen cases in the past, but they've always hid the back of the phone. It's never been anything like this, but I've got to tell you, I love this case. Now the Spigen unboxing has always been a good one. You've got a triad pull tab at the top here, which makes it super easy to take the case out. You just unbox like so, pull out the case, and it comes in this lovely packaging here. Now it did have some stickers across it to protect the clear, but I took those off when I was taking the picture. If you haven't seen the Instagram picture, by the way, it'll be linked down below for you. But let me jump my iPhone out and into this case so you can see what it looks like for yourself. So it's super easy to go on. The buttons feel super tactile and dead sturdy. They feel even better than these ones, to be honest. These are like a little plasticky feel one, and they feel this feels even better than that. Now turning it around to the back, so as you can see, you can see your device through the back of it. I'm sorry guys, it does need a clean on the inside. I have been using the case quite a lot, as you can probably tell, but ignore the fingerprints there on the inside, and unfortunately you're going to get that. And then obviously I like to clean things anyway, so when I clean it, it's got little lips around the edges, so that when you sit the phone down like so, you're going to protect your camera even more, and especially for that drop protection. So as you can see on the back, they've got little lips all the way around, and on the front you've got a lip that protects all the way around the phone. Even with a tempered glass screen protector on, it's not going to touch the glass. Now I absolutely love all the cases that I've got for my iPhone. No matter what they are, I've always enjoyed having cases on my phone. There's no way I can run a phone like this without a case or some kind of protection on it. This is what I've always made sure I've got. I've always got some sort of protection. These protect it, but not as well as this little guy would. Now I absolutely love this Spigen case. As I said to you, it is really good at what it does. The buttons are super tactile. As I said, it feels great in the hand, and obviously you can see your device and all its logos and stuff like that. The camera cutout is right there. Some Spigen branding on the side just here. Cutouts for your charger and your ports on the bottom. And it's just a super tactile case, and one that I've been absolutely enjoying to the max lately. Now there is a lot of other Spigen cases out there, guys, in case you're wondering. And what I'll do is I'll link this Spigen case down below for you guys to check out, and then obviously there'll be other links down there too to other Spigen iPhone 10 cases. If you want to see more videos like this, guys, please drop a like on this video for me, and hopefully we can get some more cases into review and some other stuff from Spigen themselves. Thanks so much for watching, I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button to see all the latest videos. Click and browse the channel, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you all in the next one.